How to fix login error in Trainline application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application or with the website, make sure that the device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi to connect to your internet. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues. However, if there's any login errors, you can simply go to your settings, scroll down and click on General, and click on iPhone Storage. Here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Trainline application. On Show All, and you want to start scrolling until you see the Trainline application over here. Simply tap on it and click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if there's any other problem with the app, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.